Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. I'm studying grade 4. Today I'm going to give a short speech on blood. Blood. What is blood? Blood is a body fluid in humans which transport oxygen and other components to our body. The blood is divided into two parts, namely plasma and blood cells. Plasma, which is the liquid form of the blood, covers up to 55% of our body, and blood cells. Blood cells are divided in three types: one red blood cells, one white blood cells, and last platelets. So red blood cells. What is red blood cells? Red blood cells are blood cells which transport our oxygen from our lungs to other parts of the body. And white blood cells. White blood cells define the injuries from our body. And platelets cure our injuries, like when we have a wound. And here is blood donation. Blood donation means giving blood to someone or something. Now we'll take this blood donation and keep it in this place. And here is another blood groups. So there are mainly some types of blood groups. Those are A, B, AB and O. Each can be a RH positive or RH negative. And blood, we'll take this blood donation again. And this blood donation, we give blood to person who need blood. That's known as blood donation. And healthy man can give about 3 liters of blood to the hospital in each and every month. And next, now we are going to see about losses of blood. Blood is loosed in many ways, and blood is gained also in many ways. In lose, when we have a wound, the blood starts going out from our body, so that loses our blood. So to avoid that, we should gain our blood. We should gain our blood by eating some vegetables like beetroot and etc. So here is a common thought: give the blood to the hospital, not to the road. So now there is here our fun fact. So fun fact is the rarest blood, which is known as golden blood, is the rarest blood in the world. Almost only 218 people have the blood. Can you even accept this? But if you cannot accept also, this is the truth. And that blood is very effective. It has lot of platelets and white blood cells, which helps them to keep their body away from fatal diseases. And then here is another blood donation. There are some rules in blood donation. Suppose I'm B negative and my friend is B positive. He needs blood and I should give him blood. So I cannot give him my blood. If I give him my blood, that makes him terribly sick. So we should not give blood to which nobody is our blood group. And finally, I would like to say that blood is vital in our body. Save it and deserve it. Thank you.